Are you searching for best foldable solar panels? In this video we shortlisted top 3 best foldable solar panels in 2021. We made this list based on our personal opinion, after perform our research based on their quality, durability, price and other related issue, then we ranked them. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, let's start the video. Top 1. Sunlight Flexible Solar Panel. This solar panel kit in 300W, 200W, 100W flexible solar panels, 12 volts, 24 volts high efficiency battery charger module. Excellent performance using high quality monocrystalline silicon cells. High efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells provide good performance even in low light conditions. The solar modules can withstand high wind pressure, snow loads and extreme temperatures. This flexible solar panel is a good choice for curved surfaces of RV, boat, sailboat, yacht, truck, car, coach, cabin, camper, tent, trailer, golf cart or any other irregular surface. Solar panels can convert light energy into electricity, which can effectively deal with the difficult problems caused by power shortage and power outage. Top 2. Dokyo Flexible Foldable Mono Solar Panel. Dokyo 18 volts 200W Portable Solar Panel Set Flexible Foldable Solar Panel USB Solar Cell Kit for boats, outdoor camping, charge 12V. Lightweight and ultra-thin for easier moving, foldable and portable design. The panel is well protected in a thick fabric pocket sewn. A practical carrying handle is available, easy to carry and use in width, ideal to use for camping, climbing, hiking, picnic, charging your car battery, or in emergencies. High conversion efficiency. With high efficiency monocrystalline solar cell, you will get greater power efficiency even though the panel is smaller than a traditional model. Plug and play. Smart PWM charging, bulk, boost, float, and equalization, increases battery life and improves system performance. Intelligent protection against reverse polarity, overcharging, short circuit, and reverse current. Integrated 2 USB ports to charge USB devices. Well packaged, quick delivery. Maintenance of flexible folding solar panels. In order to avoid friction on the folded surface, a soft plastic film can be added between the contact surface of the panel. Since the flexible folded solar panels are too light, be careful not to be blown away by the wind when used outdoors. Flexible folding solar panels have waterproof function but cannot be immersed in water. Top 3. Sunlight Portable Solar Panel. DGSUNLIGHT 100W 200W 12 volts Portable Solar Panel. Flexible 16 volts 800W plate cells, monocrystalline silicon. High efficient, high solar cell efficiency. Monocrystalline 21%, protection, bypass diodes minimize power drop caused by shade and ensure excellent performance in low light environments. Extremely flexible, this panel is capable of meeting a wide range of applications where standard panels can be inconvenient to mount, such as on the curved roof of an Airstream. Ultra lightweight, thanks to advanced polymer materials, this product weighs 70% less than conventional solar panels, making transportation and installation a breeze. Super thin, hardly noticeable. The 100-watt lightweight panel laid flat is only 1/10 of an inch tall. Approximately 95% thinner than its rigid counterpart, this panel is ideal for a stealthy solar setup. Highly durable, rigorously tested, the 100W panel was designed to withstand extreme wind and snow loads, easy to install. Metal holes in the corners of the product for fixing screws and mounting. 100-watt solar panel system packing list. 1 PC's 100W flexible solar panel, 1 PC's 10A 12 volts, 24V solar panel controller, 1 set cable with battery clips, 1 set cable with PV solar connector.